Just leave it on the floor. Just step over it. Hey guys, I see people jumping in. This is M Breaks number 344, 2020 mixer football. We'll give it a couple more minutes, read the roll call, and then get to ripping. So thank you to those that paid on time. Appreciate it. If you haven't liked and followed us on Facebook, please do. We'll never try to sell you cards. All we do is show pictures, of some of the big hits, and remind you guys when we're breaking. That's all we use it for. Speaking of which, we need to take a picture of that on campus. What time is it? All right, so we're a little bit past 11. We'll go ahead and do this roll call. Alex Green has Raiders. Andrew O'Neill has Colts and Cowboys. Brian Garlock has Giants, Patriots, Rams, Saints, and Titans. Clark C has the Jets. Cole Hartman has Steelers. Dan C has Falcons and Ravens. Ephraim Molina has the Jags. Jackie R has Chiefs. Jack Clark has the Bengals. Jesus Gonzalez has the Seahawks. John Thompson has Packers. Carrie Wheeler, Bucks. Rachel F, the Cardinals. Robert J, the Lions. Ryan Burge, Chargers. Ryan Richardson has the Bears. Ryan Sullivan has the Broncos and Redskins. Steve Heading has Browns. Teresa Shockley, the Eagles. Thomas Hillman, Dolphins. Tony B has the Bills. Tyler Z has 49ers. And William Weinhardt has the Vikings. So what we have tonight, we have a nice 2020 mixer. So we have a bunch of packs. We got this Prism value pack with the red, white, and blue. We have this Contenders Fat Pack, a Select value pack, an Absolute value pack, and this Playoff Fat Pack. And then we have a Contenders Blaster, a Chronicles Blaster, a Playoff Blaster, an Optic Hanger, and Select Hanger, and then our Chronicles Mega. So we'll start with a couple of these fat packs, and we'll try to build up to the more expensive products. So do maybe these 3 fat packs, save the Select and the Prism, and then get into some of those boxes. So good luck, everybody. If you have fun tonight, keep an eye on us. I think we're going to do a big 2021 player break out of the Prism draft picks, either next Thursday or Friday. But it's going to be a lot of boxes, a lot of megas, a lot of autographs. Darren Waller, Jared Goff, Austin Eckler, Adam Thielen, Miles Sanders, DeAndre Hopkins. It's hard to read these. J.J. Watt. Here's our green parallel, DJ Chark, Chris Carson, and our green parallel rookie is Kyle Duggar to the Pats. We have a Travis Kelce stargazing, a Clyde Edwards-Helaire introductions rookie, Tommy Stevens rookie to the Saints, Jason Huntley to the Lions, Antonio Gandy Golden to the Skins, Jared Pinkney, Falcons, DeAndre Swift to the Lions, Michael Pittman Jr. to the Colts, Henry Ruggs to the Raiders, and Tyler Johnson to the Bucks.
Tell Ryan that he has the Redskins.
Ryan, you have the Broncos and the Redskins, buddy. Broncos and Redskins. So put the drink down for a couple minutes and get your bearings. All right. You just hit a big-time Antonio Gandy Golden absolute rookie, so congrats. Who cares about that Chase guy? All right, contenders. Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, Phillip Rivers, Big Ben, Dak Prescott, Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, Derrick Henry, Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Adrian Peterson, a legendary contender, Steve Young to the Niners. And our round numbers is 2 Seahawks, so that's good. Colby Parkinson and DJ Dallas. Round number contenders. Going to the Seahawks. Cam Newton, MVP contenders. Not so much last year, Cam. Going to the Pats. And a Christian McCaffrey, MVP contenders. And that is a green parallel to the Panthers. Playoff. No Jim Moore?
Nope.
All right.
Resisted the urge.
All right.
It was there on the tip of my tongue.
I hear you. All right. I'm going to put some of these down so I can hold them easier. Phillip Rivers, Sony Michel, Javon Curse, Ed Reed, Tony Gonzalez, Vance McDonald, Devin Singletary, Mike Williams, Deshaun Watson, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Joe Mixon, Josh Jacobs, Minka Fitzpatrick, Jim Kelly, AJ Green, and that is a green parallel. Right. Bounce back this year. Marvin Jones Jr., green parallel. Damon Arnett, I think that is a blue parallel, rookie. And a Cam Akers, rookie wave. Bummer that he's injured. Big Ben, call to arms to the Steelers. Brian Edwards, rookie to the Raiders. Patrick Queen, rookie to the Ravens. Joe Reed, rookie, Chargers. Tua to the Dolphins, so first big QB of the break. So congrats, Dolphins. Nice little base rookie there. Ben DiNucci, rookie to the Cowboys. Emmanuel Sanders. Aaron Rodgers. Jared Goff. Khalil Mack. Devin White. Golden Tate. Julio Jones. Chris Carson. A little payback there. Landon Collins. Jared Cook. Tiki Barber. Jimmy G. Kerryon Johnson. Aeneas Williams. Zach Ertz. And DJ Moore. And a kid reporter card that's like 8 years old. All right, we'll save those 2 packs and let's get into, we'll go, let's do Chronicles since we've got 2 different boxes. Looking for a Black Prism Silver. That'd be sweet. It's supposed to have 8 packs. Empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8. Deshaun Watson. Van Jefferson, Prestige. Nice. Justin Herbert. That's a pink parallel. Congrats, Chargers. First Herbert of the night. DeAndre Swift, Clear Vision. And a Jonathan Taylor, Luminance to the Colts. Better get your sleeving hands ready for these. Get those pennies out. Derrick Henry, Keenan Allen, Chase Young, pink, Panini rookie. Congrats, Skins. Ooh, followed by a clearly Donruss. Chase Young. There you go, Brian. Wake up, buddy. Jacob Eason, Gridiron Kings. Might be playing here. Hopefully he plays well. Jim Kelly, Jake Fromm, Prestige, Stephon Diggs, pink, a CD Lamb, playoff momentum, and a Justin Herbert Panini base rookie. So Chronicles will give you the rookies. All right, let's get some guys up here on the board. Let's see what we got. I'll put Herbert front and center. Get my boy Chase up here. Get Tua up here. Put Justin up here again. We'll go with Swift for the time being. All right. Michael Thomas, Mike Evans, Justin Jefferson, and that's a pink Luminance. So nice hit there to the Vikes. Jonathan Taylor, that's our score chrome. Nice Jonathan Taylor there. And Jerry Judy Luminance to the Broncos. Derek Carr, Antonio Gibson, Prestige to the Skins. TJ Hawkinson, pink. James Robinson, Clear Vision to the Jags. And Jonathan Taylor, Gridiron Kings to the Colts. Let's get Justin Jefferson up here. He did ball out last year. Ray Lewis, Cam Newton, Cole Kmet, and that is a pink Gridiron Kings. A clearly Donruss Laviska Shenault to the Jags. And Clyde Edwards-Helaire Panini base. 2 packs left in this blaster. Still looking for a Prism Black. They don't give you one all the time. But it'd be nice to hit one. Looks like we might have a little Prism back here. Jarvis Landry. CD Lamb, Prestige. Nice. Congrats, Cowboys. Chris Godwin. And we do have a Prism, and it's the Packers. Nice. Jordan Love. Nice little hit there. That's the Dynagon. Prism. Sweet. Congrats, Packers. Nice hit. And followed by the first Jalen Hurts I think we've seen. Luminance base to the Eagles. I do like the Luminance cards, man. They're nice. I like the basketball ones too. They're cool. All right, last pack of the blaster. Juju. Oh, shoot. Panini points. And we don't ship those guys, only because we've had problems with them not working, people stealing them. Here's a Josh Kelly. pink. Another Jalen Hurts. That's the Dynagon, but the base, not the prism, like the other one. And there is Brandon Ayuk. Gridiron Kings.
You gotta get that.
Oh.
Jordan Love on the board.
All right. Is that the only one? Yeah, let's get Hurts up here too. So we'll bump one of the Herberts. Get this Hurts up here. Justin Jefferson. Get you. Bump you real quick. All right. All right, contenders. Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, Russell Wilson, Hollywood Brown, Aaron Donald, Derrick Henry. Oh, nice. And a Justin Herbert Rookie of the Year contenders. So the Herbert's starting to stack up. Yes, 343 was the one we did right before this one. So if you go back to the Facebook page, Phil, it is on there so you can rewatch it. Just scroll down a little bit. It's the, you know, it should be near the top of our page. Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, Phillip Rivers, Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Adrian Peterson, and a round numbers, Jeff Gladney and Justin Jefferson to the Vikings.
The freshly released Jeff Gladney.
Oh yeah, he's not on there no more.
Had a little incident with the law. Got released. First round pick.
Dak Prescott, Big Ben, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, Myles Garrett, and, speak of the devil, an Aaron Rodgers winning ticket to the pack. 2 pack. Oh man, they both feel kind of fat. Yeah, I think that one. That one might have something in it. I don't know. Dalvin Cook, Tyreek Hill, J.J. Watt, Sterling Shepard, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, Leighton Vander Esch, and, nice, Tom Brady MVP contenders. Unlike the Cam that we saw earlier, he actually played up to the MVP contender designation. Yeah, I guess. He did okay.
It's kind of poop for most of the year.
Juju, most of the year doesn't matter. Sony, Larry Fitz, Austin Eckler, Le'Veon Bell, Josh Allen, and LaMichael Pirine, a green rookie ticket patch. So congrats, Jets. Nice little hit.
Green on green.
Yeah, man. And then a J.K. Dobbins Rookie of the Year contender. So congrats to the Ravens on that one. All right, let's go. Tua. Man, we always sack Tua up here. Poor guy. Sorry, pal. All right, let's open this playoff box next. All right. playoff. Let's see. How many packs? We're supposed to have 7 packs. 7 packs, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have a lot of 2021 football coming up, guys, but we still do have quite a bit of the 2020 stuff. So we'll be probably mixing that in here and there. So like I said earlier, please like us and follow us if you're interested in keeping up with what we're doing. Leighton Vander Esch, Randy Moss, Robert Woods, Jalen Rager, rookie wave to the Eagles. Yetur Gross-Matos, rookie to the Panthers. Javon Curse, Ed Reed, Tony Gonzalez. Daniil Hunter, Cooper Kupp. I think we have a patch here. And it's going out to Ryan. Antonio Gandy Golden to the team formerly known as the Redskins. Rookie Stallions patch. Simeon Rice and Rondé Barber, Thunder and Lightning. Kachuga. Well played. And our first Chase Claypool that we've seen tonight. Nice rookie there to the Steelers. Marlon Humphrey, Chris Jones, Deontay Johnson. Anthony Miller. Oh, we got some color in this one. Nice colored prism. Mike Evans, Miles Sanders, and nice red prism. Thunder and Lightning going to the Steelers. James Harrison and Troy Polamalu. Cool card there. Congrats, Steelers. Damon Arnett, rookie to the Raiders. Josh Allen, Darius Leonard, and Andre Tippett. Christian McCaffrey, DK Metcalf, Jimmy G, Jared Allen behind the numbers to the Vikings, LaMichael P. Ryan, rookie to the Jets, Joe Thomas, Baker Mayfield, Joey Bosa. Mitch Trubisky, Rob Gronkowski, Fletcher Cox, Donovan Peoples-Jones, rookie to the Browns, and that's a green parallel, followed by the base card, Vance McDonald, Devin Singletary, and Peyton Manning. 2 packs left in our playoff blaster. Then we'll move on to the good stuff. The really good stuff. Brian Burns, Tyler Lockett, Aaron Jones, Russ Wilson, call to arms to the Seahawks, Jake Fromm, rookie to the Bills, Jamison Crowder, Drew Lock, and LaDainian Tomlinson, one of my favorite players right there.
Jake needs some Burrow.
Burrow. All right, man. All right, Jake. You got to call them out sometimes. Sometimes you just got to say their name in the chat and they show up. Still got a lot of cards to go through. But I understand getting nervous. I've been in plenty of breaks myself. Carson Wentz, Curtis Samuel, Jalen Smith, Mark Ingram, parallel, Devin Asiasi, rookie to the Pats, Paris Campbell, Jarrett Stidham, and Kevin Byard. All right. So I think the way we'll do this is I got to get up so I don't sack anybody. We'll do Chronicles Mega, then we'll do the select value pack, then the select hanger, then the optic hanger, and then we'll end it with the prism bonus pack. Ayuk. All right.
Judy, Tyler.
Travis likes the Niners, so. What's funny is when we first started doing breaks last fall, the Niners didn't always sell. That changed pretty quickly, though. All right, we got 10 packs. Chronicles.
It's an ink.
Yeah, man. Patrick Mahomes. Put him in a penny for good luck. L'Jarius Sneed, rookie to the Chiefs. Darnell Mooney, rookie. There we go. Joey B. That's the legacy rookie. Not a prism, but a nice looking card there. Get him up on the board. And Chris Godwin, that is a teal parallel. I'll have to take my boy down, I guess. All quarterbacks get all the love. Calvin Ridley. James Robinson, Luminance. James Morgan. Man, we used to see him all the time. Surprised we haven't seen him yet. Jonathan Taylor, Clear Vision. Nice. Followed by a teal Jonathan Taylor, Panini base. So, nice pack there to the Colts. Dalvin Cook. Gabriel Davis, rookie to the Bills.
Prism.
Oh, is that a prism? Looks like it. Looks like it. Oh, yeah. Jalen Reagor. Oh, my. That is nice. Justin Herbert. The one I looked for a long time and never found. But here he is. Prism Black, Silver.
Off center.
Yeah, it is off center. It is, unfortunately.
Come on, Prism.
Woefully so, but man. Nice card. Nice hit. Nice hit, Chargers. Wouldn't get it graded with that centering, but nice hit. And a teal Kelsey.
Get that little Chronicles Herbert off there.
Take that placeholder down. Now we need a Tua to replace that
You
one.
need to swap him with love.
All right. See? Board gets better and better as we go. How about that silver field level that's in that hanger box, maybe? That'd be sweet.
Yeah.
Dick Butkus. Joey B. See, all you got to do is ask, man. He'll show up.
Another Prism in there.
This one's not a prism, though. This is just a prism black, yeah. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Gridiron Kings, and a Jonathan Taylor prism black. This one's off-centered the other direction, so I guess if you can average those two, you'd have a pretty well-centered card. So congrats, Colts. He's showing up. Stephon Diggs with the teal. Pretty decent mega box so far. Better than a lot of ones that I've opened personally and been angry about. Joe Namath. I'm over it, though. I'm over it. We've got another prism in here. Jordan Love, Panini base. A CD Lamb. Luminance to the Cowboys. And a Jerry Judy, Legacy Rookie Prism. Nice. Sometimes the prisms are like have that camber, and this is one of them. So nice hit there to the Broncos, and then a Chase Young teal Gridiron Kings. So nice little card there to the Skins.
Were you pausing for effect there?
No, I was not. T. Higgins, rookie to the Bengals. James Robinson, Gridiron Kings to the Jags. Justin Jefferson, Panini base. Zach Moss, first time we've seen him. That's the clearly Donruss. I like those cards. To the Bills, and then a T. Higgins teal parallel luminance. 4 more Chronicles packs. Then we'll get into Select, my personal favorite, even though it hasn't always been that good to me. But I was kind of addicted to it for a little while. Maybe still am. Brian Dawkins. Michael Pittman, Luminance. Hey, Ryan, you got to be nice, man. Patrick Queen.
He has sponsored me.
Oh, he does? Gotcha. All right. Henry Ruggs, Donegan, to the Raiders. And a Lamar Jackson teal to the Ravens. Ryan, you do have the hot hand, man, in all seriousness. Like, I think he's pulled some decent cards out of each one of these breaks. Aaron Rodgers. Tua Gridiron Kings. I do like the Gridiron Kings cards, too, in general. They're cool. J.K. Dobbins to the Ravens, Panini base. Ooh, man, that'd be nice if that was a prism. Justin Jefferson. Score Chrome. Nice card there to the Vikings. It is not a prism. And a Jake Fromm teal Gridiron Kings to the Bills. Bills have a lot of cards in these sets, man. Just like the Colts do. DeAndre Swift, Chronicles. Justin Jefferson, Gridiron Kings. James Robinson, Panini. Oh, nice. Nice hit here to the Vikings. This is a Donruss Elite. Justin Jefferson, numbered out of 399. So that's even lower than some of the other ones. I think you normally pull the ones out of 899. So this one is some different type of foil or hollow or something. But man, nice hit there to the Vikes. We'll have to knock out one of those quarterbacks for that one. That's going on the board. TJ Hawkinson, teal. And 1 pack left. That is a nice Jefferson, man. I like him. I like him a lot. Sean Alexander. Man, he was really good in fantasy for a couple years, and then he got hurt at the beginning of the season and ruined everyone's fantasy team. DeAndre Swift, Luminance. Malik Harrison, rookie to the Ravens. Nice, a Jalen Hurts, clear vision. That's sweet, to the Eagles. Nice little acetate. And our last card in that box is a good one. It's a Joey B. teal Gridiron Kings. So Joey wasn't showing up, then you asked for him, and now he's rolling. All right, I think I'm going to have to, I'll knock 2 off. Get that Jefferson up there, if I can. There we go. All right, let's do this select pack. Not a bad looking board right now. Some ink would be really nice. Laviska Shenault, 1 of 1 Chase Young. Okay, Ryan. That's the base. Carson Wentz. Cole Kmet. That's another base. Peyton Manning. Patrick. James Robinson. James Robinson. Nice. A Joey B. That's cool. Concourse. Nice. So he's showing up. Russ Wilson. Michael Pittman Jr. to the Colts. A Jerry Rice Unbreakable insert. Michael Pittman Select Certified. There's a Tua. That's a little upgrade from the one we had. This is a turbocharged. Not a prism, but nice card there. Tom Brady. Hot Stars to the Patriots. So showing the Patriots some love there. We got a prism here, I think. Yep, we do. This is KJ Hamler to the Broncos. Who would buy the Broncos? That's a club level prism there. Antonio Gibson to the Skins. There you go, Ryan. Ryan's killing it, son. And our last card in the pack is Phillip Rivers. Wah, wah. All right. Let's get into this hanger now. You got that Joey B in a top loader. I'll swap them out for this legacy card. Thank you. We'll put them up there with them. Twinsies. Just because I'm partial to the select. Like I said, I already had a little group therapy about that. All right, select hanger. Then we got the optic hanger and the prism pack to round us out. All right, T. Higgins. James Morgan. Derrick Henry. Jake Luton. I guess, is he still with the Jags? Jerry Judy. Adam Thielen. James Morgan. It's the club level. Melvin Gordon. Then our die cuts here, we have Julio Jones. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. That's a nice little club level die cut. LaMichael Pirine. Concourse die cut. Travis Kelce die cut. There you go. Who was asking for Ayuk? Was that this?
Yeah.
All right.
Silver. Huh?
That is nice. That's a silver prism right there. So congrats. Tyler to the Niners. Very nice. Silver prism. So maybe not the volume, but you got a nice quality card right there. Hot Stars, TJ Watt. Terrell Davis, Unbreakable. Chase Young, the club level. Larry Fitz, Joshua Kelly, club level. Cam Newton, and our field level is Dante Culpepper. Vikings. Rolling. All right. Now, we've pulled some nice cards out of optic hangers in the past. I can't promise anything, but if I had to pick between an optic hanger and an optic blaster, I'm opening a hanger. Hangers with bangers. Hopefully. See what we got. Got a banger right on the top, son. Go Rivers. All right, Phillip Rivers, Tyrann Mathieu, Christian Wilkins, Mitch Trubisky, Le'Veon Bell, Kenny Galladay. And we will do a recap with all the big hits at the end of this, guys, in case you didn't missed a little bit of it. Rob Gronkowski, Julio Jones, Stephon Gilmore, Baker Mayfield. Oh, nice. Here's the negative photo variation. Jonathan Taylor, rated rookie to the Colts. Congrats, Colts. Nice hit. Got a silver Xavier McKinney going out to the G-Men. A T minus Big Ben to the Steelers. So nice card there to the Steelers. An Elite Series Chase Young to the Skins. Julian Okwara, rookie to the Lions. Grant Delpit, rookie to the Browns. Lynn Bowden Jr., rated rookie to the Raiders. And our blue scopes, we got Yatir Gross-Matos to the Panthers. Oh, man. Tyler Johnson, rated rookie, blue scope to the Bucks. And our last card in this box is Jerry Judy. Scope Ryan. Hot hand continues, son. And that one's well centered, dude. That's very nice. Nice card right there. I think we had another Judy Prism. All right, guys. Last pack. Good luck, everybody. Your last chance to call out somebody that you want to see. We'll do the bonus pack last. We haven't had any roll-offs yet, which is nice. Preston Williams, C.J. Mosley, Peyton Manning, Keelan Doss, Eddie Jackson, Blake Jarwin, Demario Davis, Aaron Jones, DeAndre Hopkins, a Jeff Gladney green prism to the Vikes, A.J. Brown hype insert to the Titans, and Michael Warren, rookie to the Eagles. He looks pretty beastly right there. All right, hopefully we got something better than that in here. Let's see. Kenny Stills, red, white, and blue. Jalen Ramsey, red, white, and blue. Our last card of the night is Anthony McFarland Jr., red, white, and blue prism to the Steelers. Little off-center, but not bad. So congrats, Steelers. Nice little card. And we'll do a quick recap. All right. All right, guys. We don't have time to go through every rookie because there's a billion of them, but here's some of the cooler cards we pulled. We had this Antonio Gandy Golden patch and this LaMichael Pirine patch to the Jets. LaMichael Pirine, die cut. Brandon Ayuk, Gridiron Kings. Brandon Ayuk, Silver Prism out of our select. Clyde Edwards-Hilaire, die cut. This Jalen Hurts, Clear Vision to go along with this Jalen Hurts Luminance base. We had this Tua playoff. We had the Gridiron Kings, and we had the Turbocharged Select. Jordan Love, saw a lot of him. Well, maybe not a lot, but I saw Jordan Love a couple times. We had the Panini.
Saw him twice.
And, well, a lot of them, meaning, like, I like this card, is what I meant to say. And this Prism out of our Chronicles. Broncos, KJ Hamler, that's a Silver Prism, and this Jerry Judy Scope to go along with this Jerry Judy Silver Legacy Prism. Joe Burrow, let's see. We'll wait on that. J.K. Dobbins. Joey B. I think we had 4. So we had the Luminance, Gridiron Kings, Teal. We had the Select and the Legacy. So not bad for the Bengals. Chase Young, we had this Elite Series rookies out of our Optic and this Clearly Donruss from the Chronicles. Justin Jefferson, we had the Pink Luminance, this Score Chrome, and this really sweet Donruss Elite numbered out of 399. Laviska Shenault, Clearly Donruss, James Robinson, Clear Vision, DeAndre Swift, Clear Vision, Jonathan Taylor, Clear Vision, and that nice reverse negative out of the optic to go along. Man, we had a lot of him. We had the Score Chrome and also the Prism Black Jonathan Taylor. So a nice night for the Colts. CeeDee Lamb had this playoff momentum. Cam Akers, rookie wave, and Justin Herbert. Even though it's off center, our hit of the night, we had this Pink Chronicles, this Rookie of the Year contenders, the Panini base, and then this nice Prism Black Silver. So, nice hit there. So, congrats, everybody. Thanks to everybody for paying on time and for participating. We will try to get these cards out, hopefully on Saturday. And please like and follow us, guys, and have a good night. See ya.